Hello my people, welcome back to another wonderful episode. This is Chimprotech World, Chimpro Autotech. As you can see, this is a 150 VA stabilizer. We just finished repairing this stabilizer. As you can see, we just finished repairing the stabilizer. What actually went wrong in this stabilizer was the relay. The output voltage was not coming on, so we have to change the input voltage relay and the output voltage relay so that the output voltage will start coming on. As you can see, it's off right now. The input voltage meter is at its 0 position and the output voltage meter is also at its 0 position. As you can see, we'll put on this stabilizer right now and show you that it's now working. As you can see, I'm switching it on from the switch. If I switch it on, we see that this stabilizer is on. Now the input voltage has rises, also the output voltage has rises. As you can see, if I switch it off again, it will go back to its position. You see, they both went back to their position. Then I switch it on again, they came back to their position. Are you seeing it? To show you that the stabilizer is at its right functioning. It's working now. It's working properly. It's working properly right now. But what actually is the problem of this stabilizer? After we must have finished fixing it, we now encounter a problem in the stabilizer. After fixing it, we will have to test it with our multimeter to make sure the voltage is at its accurate position. We don't want it to be above 240 and we don't want it to be below 200, 220. We don't want it that way. We want it to be at the range of 235, 230, 232, 233, 234, 235. That's the accurate range of it. But now we decided to test with our multimeter to know exactly the range of this stabilizer. So as we are testing right now, we found out that we are having, watch me as I test, we found out that we are having a range of 290. Now your black probe from your multimeter goes to your negative side and your positive probe go to your positive side from the output. As we test, you see from the multimeter is showing us 289, 290, 289, 290. As you can see, which is very wrong. We don't want it this way. We don't want it this way. It will definitely cause havoc. It will burn appliances. So we have to reduce it. We have to really reduce it from our variable resistance. So we have to tune it down from our variable resistance. We have to tune it down from our variable resistance so that the voltage will be low. So let's put it off from our switch first, then tune it down to reduce the voltage. Keep watch. Welcome back. I told you people that what we have to do to this stabilizer now to stabilize the voltage is to set it from the variable resistance. As you can see, the variable resistance, we have 5 variable resistance here. Initially I told us that this stabilizer, the voltage was at 290, which is very wrong. We want to make sure that the voltage is it's below 240 and is not more than 240 and is not less than, let's say, 220 or 200. Now the accurate voltage this stabilizer should be is from the range of 220, 230, 235, 240, not higher than 240. Now we have set this stabilizer from the variable resistance. As you can see, we set it from the variable resistance. You all you have to do is to tune it here. You start tuning. When you don't tune it, I will not advise you to tune while your stabilizer is on. You tune, you put it off, you check with your multimeter if the voltage is accurate, you put it off again, you tune. That's how I did it, and that's how I normally does mine, so that there will be no havoc and commotion. So I normally put it off from the switch, then tune from the variable resistance. Then now I have gotten the exact range that I want. Let me show you from the multimeter. Let me do the testing and show you that I have gotten the exact range. Now I put my black probe to the negative side, and I put my red probe to the positive side. As you can see, what people are seeing there now is 230, 231. That's 233. You see, 232 is the accurate reading. That's the accurate reading. That's the accurate reading. That's where this stabilizer should be. If it is higher than 240, then you have to reduce it from your variable resistance. If it is lower than 200, 220, then you have to increase it also from your variable resistance. I remain Chimpro Tech World. Hit the like button, subscribe, and put down your comment in the comment section below for more details. Thank you, and God bless you. And again, don't forget, your stabilizer in some other countries can be making use of 120 voltage. In some other country, 200 voltage, 220 voltage. It depends. So you know the amount of voltage your country uses. So that's the ranges of voltage your stabilizers should be. If it is not in that range, then you have to set it to that range from your variable resistance. And you out there who is not a technician and you're having a challenge, you're having a problem of burnt appliances in your home, and you notice that it's coming from the stabilizer, you plug your appliances direct from the stabilizer, and yet your equipment are burning, are destroying, call your electrician, call your technician to come and check the stabilizer. Maybe the voltage is high from the stabilizer, or maybe the voltage, we have to reduce it from the variable resistance. Thank you. Welcome back. This is Chimpro Tech World. As you can see, this stabilizer is set. I've coupled it. It's set, ready to be delivered to the owner. God bless you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the subscription button for me for more updates and wonderful updates like this. As you can see, we have other stabilizers here. We have other stabilizers that we are dealing on that we also want to repair. As you can see, this is 2000 wattage. This one is 1000 watts. This one is 5000 watts, the bigger size. As you can see, it's 5000 watts, the bigger size. That's what you're seeing there. We have other ones that we want to repair here. We also deal on buying and selling. If you have any Belgian fairly used stabilizer that you want to sell, contact us on 070 48 90 50 43 070 48 90 50 43. Contact us. If you want us to sell fairly used for you, sell for you, contact us. If you want to also consult us for us to buy you original product, original stabilizer, also contact us. God bless you as you keep watch. Thank you.